we feel confident in our team's abilities to ramp production quickly. Know that it is an unprecedented change. And
recent statements from Tesla CEO Elon Musk have sparked widespread speculation about Tesla entering the flying car market, and the $6,789 Tesla flying car is both shocking and worth considering. Imagine traveling from New York to San Francisco in less than 19 hours compared to about 45 hours by car, or 5 days with rest and stopovers all in. A vehicle that costs just 1/16 of a Model 3 sounds crazy, right? The latest evidence is now clearer than ever that this is exactly what Tesla is doing with its Tesla flying car. Project an insane vehicle that could completely change the way we think about transportation in the next decade. So how can Elon Musk make flying cars a reality? What will the Tesla flying car actually look like? And most importantly, how will they bring the price down to just $678? First, stop scrolling and do this right now. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be the first to know how to stay ahead in exploring the most groundbreaking technologies in the flying car market, especially the Tesla flying car. How does Tesla analyze the pricing of the Tesla flying car? Imagine this: you call your Tesla flying car with your phone, step into a sleek, fully autonomous vehicle and take off from a rooftop. You soar above the crowded streets, avoid traffic jams, and land effortlessly at your destination, all in just a few minutes. No more wasting hours on the road, no more traffic, just a seamless flying experience. Awesome, but how much does it actually cost? Is the price of $678 real, or is it just a joke for the market? When you think of a personal flying car, most people probably imagine a price tag in the range of hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars. With advanced aviation technology, a price between $150,000 and $350,000 seems reasonable, and even $500,000 wouldn't be shocking when compared to supercars or helicopters. So is this price for a Tesla personal flying car really feasible? It's such an unbelievable number that it makes anyone stop and question. For comparison, even the Tesla Model 3, the most affordable electric vehicle from Tesla, starts at over $38,000. And when it comes to the aviation industry, the advanced technologies required usually push prices much higher than in the traditional car market. The flying car industry is developing rapidly, with major companies like Joby Aviation and Lilium already having functional prototypes. However, when it comes to Tesla, a company known for its innovation in the electric vehicle industry, the story becomes more complex. They have advanced battery technology, powerful electric motors, and world-leading autonomous systems, all of which are essential for a successful flying car. That's why Tesla is confident it can produce Tesla flying cars for under $7,000. The reality is that developing a flying car isn't just about slapping wings onto Tesla EVs. It requires breakthrough technology and aerodynamics, a stable flight control system, and most importantly, strict adherence to aviation safety regulations. The truth is, no one will believe the crazy pricing Elon Musk has set until they see this car with their own eyes. However, today we'll reveal the most convincing argument based on real facts and reasoning to prove that you can experience and own a unique modern car while still keeping costs as low as possible. The answer may lie in Tesla and SpaceX's ability to scale production, their strong supply chains, and design optimization. The company has already proven its ability to cut manufacturing costs with mainstream electric vehicles like the Model 3, Model Y, or from the unique designs of the Falcon Heavy and Starship. If they apply the same philosophy to flying cars, it's likely they are exploring a minimalist design, using ultra-lightweight materials and leveraging advanced battery technology to reduce costs instead of using traditional propellers like today's airplanes. The Tesla personal flying car will feature An electric jet engine, this engine is inspired by the powerful technology behind SpaceX, but it will be adapted for electric flight, making the journey more efficient and sustainable. Tesla will also incorporate Falcon landing technology into this flying car. This technology enables the vehicle to take off and land vertically with smoothness and ease. As a result, the car will have better control during flight and, most importantly, ensure a smooth and safe landing. In terms of exterior design, Tesla will use a minimalist monocoque frame similar to the design of the Starship spacecraft. However, instead of stainless steel, they will use an aluminum lithium alloy. This material is not only lightweight and heat resistant, but also visually stunning, giving the car both durability and a luxurious, eye-catching appeal. Although there isn't much detailed information available about the design yet, from what we know, the interior of the vehicle will be designed to accommodate 1 to 2 passengers with a focus on comfort and ease of use. Additionally, the car will integrate advanced control systems and safety features to ensure passengers feel secure during their journey. Imagine sitting in a highly modern vehicle with an unobstructed view. The cockpit of this car is inspired by 2 giants of Tesla and SpaceX, the Cybertruck and the Dragon spacecraft. Its canopy is a 360 degrees transparent glass, offering an incredible view that allows you to fully experience the surrounding environment without any obstructions or interruptions. When designing the Tesla flying car, the door mechanism is a crucial factor affecting convenience, safety, and user experience. The 2 most common options today are traditional doors and gull-wing doors. Traditional doors, like those found on most EVs, offer simplicity and practicality. This design makes flying cars easier to manufacture, reducing production costs and maintenance. Additionally, when landing in tight spaces such as rooftop parking lots or crowded city streets, side opening doors face fewer height restrictions. On the other hand, gull-wing doors provide a futuristic and modern feel while optimizing space during landing. These doors open vertically, allowing passengers to exit easily even when obstacles are nearby. In fact, vehicles like the Tesla Model X have already implemented this technology with built-in sensors to prevent collisions. When opening, this feature is especially useful for flying cars, enabling them to land in confined spaces without worrying about having enough room for side opening doors. So which option is the better choice if you were designing a flying car? Would you choose traditional doors or gull-wing doors? Let us know in the comments below. As for the cockpit layout, the control system will be streamlined, featuring a large touchscreen to make it easier for the driver to operate. This screen will also provide haptic feedback, replacing traditional buttons and offering a more modern, convenient experience. All flight dynamics and navigation tasks will be managed by Tesla AI with extremely intuitive navigation, maintaining Tesla's signature design style without compromising simplicity and elegance. Inside, the space is light and airy, creating a sense of comfort. From the very first glance, the cockpit is made from carbon fiber, a material that enhances the car's durability while maintaining a sleek, luxurious, and futuristic appearance. The seats are designed for 2 people per, perfect for solo exploration trips as opposed to the crowded nature of traditional vehicles. Every detail is optimized to ensure maximum comfort for the passengers, allowing you to fully enjoy the journey. Equally important, this vehicle incorporates advanced technology. It uses a high-voltage 800-volt platform with silicon carbide, enhancing energy efficiency and optimizing overall performance. When you think of a Tesla flying car, you might picture something sleek and high-tech. That's exactly what the Tesla flying car aims to be. This electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle can carry up to 2 passengers, making it ideal for quick trips around town. It can reach speeds of up to 150 mph and has a range of up to 100 miles. allowing for multiple consecutive flights with minimal waiting time in addition. It's incredibly quiet, about 100 times quieter than a traditional helicopter, producing only 65 dB of noise during takeoff and landing, which is equivalent to the sound level of a normal conversation. So far, Tesla has committed to staying at the forefront of technology. The company is exploring next generation battery technologies to improve the range and performance of the Midnight. For instance, they are researching solid-state batteries, which have the potential to double the energy density of traditional lithium-ion batteries. The Tesla flying car is initially expected to run on 6 separate battery packs, ensuring safety by allowing the vehicle to continue flying even if one battery fails. Its advanced intelligent flight control system can operate autonomously or be piloted by a human, offering flexibility for different flight scenarios. Currently, most flying cars on the market have a maximum flight time of 30 to 45 minutes before needing a recharge. Tesla scientists and engineers are actively researching advancements in new battery technologies, such as solid-state batteries with higher energy density and lithium iron phosphate batteries, which offer longer flight times. LFP batteries are known for their high durability and lower costs compared to nickel manganese cobalt batteries. These innovations could make the Tesla flying car more practical for longer trips, with flight times extending up to 1.5 to 2 hours, and more reliable for daily use. When will we see the Tesla flying car launched? While the timeline for its launch is still uncertain, experts believe that a commercial model could emerge in the next 5 to 7 years, likely closer to 2030. This timeline is based on Tesla's history with ambitious goals such as the delayed production of the Cybertruck and the significant technological and regulatory hurdles that still need to be overcome. Despite these challenges, Tesla's relentless innovation and their expertise in electric vehicles, AI, and aerospace technology give strong indications that the flying car is a matter of when, not if. Many experts predict that flying cars could begin to appear in some cities by 2030. Cities such as Dubai, Los Angeles, and Singapore are already conducting test flights, and major companies have announced plans to launch commercial flying car services in the coming years. However, widespread adoption is expected to take longer, with some estimates suggesting that personal flying cars might not become common until at least 2050. In the short term, flying cars are likely to serve specialized purposes such as business travel, emergency medical services, and VIP transportation. As costs decrease and infrastructure improves over time, they could eventually become a viable alternative for daily commuting. While this represents a significant technological breakthrough, it's important to note that producing a flying car is not as simple as manufacturing a traditional electric vehicle. Elon Musk has stirred considerable interest around the concept of flying cars, especially since Tesla revealed its research into flying car technology. His influence has generated strong media and investor attention, indicating a growing excitement in the flying car sector. However, despite this buzz, Tesla is currently prioritizing other large-scale projects. The company is still working on improving electric vehicle production, addressing market pressures, and dealing with public scrutiny surrounding Musk himself. More importantly, Tesla must complete the production line for its Optimus robot and continue developing several new electric vehicle models in the coming year. This means the launch of a Tesla flying car is not currently at the top of the priority list. Even so, Tesla has the resources and technology needed to bring a flying car to market faster than any other company. With rapid development and continuous innovation, it's possible that Tesla could launch its flying car in the next few years that said the challenge of producing a flying car is significant as Tesla needs to optimize engine, technology, flight control systems, energy, storage, and mass assembly processes. This complexity could result in a higher initial price until the company achieves economies of scale to reduce costs. Elon Musk has made bold statements about Tesla's ambitions for flying vehicles, particularly regarding the next generation Tesla Roadster. In June 2024, he declared that the new Tesla Roadster could fly, although he didn't provide specifics on how this would work. This announcement followed previous hints that the Roadster might be a collaborative project between Tesla and SpaceX, potentially drawing on SpaceX's aerospace expertise. However, the timeline for the development of this vehicle remains unclear. Musk has indicated that finalizing the production design and official launch could happen by the end of 2024, but given Tesla's history of ambitious timelines that often experience delays, the timeline is uncertain. There are also questions about whether Musk's statement about the hovering capabilities of the Roadster will translate into actual flying technology or merely reflect special performance features. Even if Tesla successfully develops a flying car, the question remains, is the market ready? The infrastructure for flying cars, such as urban airspace, landing pads, and legal regulations, is still in its infancy. Significant changes in laws and infrastructure are needed before flying cars can become a reality. Now, urban air mobility infrastructure is still in its infancy, but progress is accelerating globally. In the U.S., cities like Los Angeles and Miami are already planning vertiports to support electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles. For example, ALF Aeronautics received FAA approval for limited flight testing of its Model A flying car in 2023, signaling regulatory momentum for aerial vehicles. Tesla's integration of SpaceX-inspired rocket thrusters and vertical takeoff capabilities eliminates the need for lengthy runways, making it adaptable to urban environments. With Tesla's influence and resources, the development of compact landing pads and charging stations could align with existing urban planning trends, while regulatory hurdles are significant. Tesla's proven track record in navigating complex automotive laws offers optimism. FAA certification for aerial navigation and NHTSA approval for road use are essential dual standards. Tesla has already demonstrated its ability to innovate within strict legal frameworks through its autopilot systems. Industry-wide efforts, such as the European Union's Single European Sky initiative, aim to streamline airspace regulations by 2035. Tesla's collaboration with SpaceX could further expedite regulatory approval by leveraging aerospace expertise. Consumer interest in flying cars is growing. Surveys indicate that over 40% of Americans express willingness to adopt flying cars despite safety concerns. Tesla's reputation for delivering cutting-edge technology positions it uniquely to overcome skepticism with features like a 620m range, zero-emission propulsion, and autonomous navigation systems. The flying Roadster appeals to eco-conscious and tech-savvy consumers alike, although widespread adoption may take decades. Tesla's flying car prototype signals a transformative era in transportation by addressing INF structure gaps, regulatory challenges, and consumer hesitancy. Tesla is well positioned to lead this market. The combination of sustainable technology and visionary design makes the flying Roadster not just feasible, but potentially revolutionary. Tesla's long-term vision is to transform the way we move within cities. Their goal is to reduce commute times and provide a sustainable